Hey, we're starting this new project today. It's pretty exciting. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got pergolas, it's got fire pit, it has seat walls, it has planter walls, and it's got some new product in it we haven't installed yet. So it's going to be a great project, and turn you around. So to start out with, what we're doing today is, this is our space, and it's pretty much a blank slate. So what we're doing over here is, first off, we have a plan. So, and this is the existing covered patio. We're gonna put a pergola in. We're gonna pitch it back onto the roof line to drain the water that comes off of this. We're gonna put polycarbonate on that. So we're gonna have a seat wall that runs here and kind of comes back around. We're actually gonna back that seat wall, so it's gonna have a back to it. Then right here, we're gonna have a raised 36-inch high planter, and in the center of it, we'll have plants in it, kind of soften the space and give us a great feel to it. We're also putting fans in this corner and this corner, along with a fire pit here. So this is the space. We're gonna run our pavers in a linear effect, so it's gonna look really elongated and help us make that space feel even larger. We also had some grade change. I know it's hard to see, but there's about 12 inches of grade change from the fence to here. So it's gonna be exciting, and it's gonna start today.